Otherwise, things are coming along. One other thing of importance is the program that I use. If I hit properties, damn, this thing is like a fucking rocket now. We'll go to Endless Slideshow and hit Settings. Now, if you even try to download this program, Google Chrome says, oh, no, this program downloads shit to your computer, it does bad things and shit, and it's not really, it's just being reported as such. So it's not too bad, but there's a new version of it, which I just got, 1.13.1, but it wasn't doing what I wanted, which was under text here. I had to go to another machine and type in hashtag TT, capital picture, capital full, capital file, capital name, hashtag. And that way it would display... Oh, I didn't want to hit power. I wanted to hit preview. That way it would display the full path and file name, which is exactly how I had it set up. And this new version of it wasn't set up that way, of course. So I had to make a point to do that manually, because otherwise it wasn't going to work and it was going to piss me off. And I sat around and tried 7 or 8 different options to try to, you know, get that to work. Otherwise, we got some of the updates in, and doing some more. Remote access is in, and everything is going on according to plan. Oh great, a fucking error. It somehow occurred to me that I may have taken an image of this machine. I did. Put it in Tocadiscos and take a look. See, this is the other bullshit. Like something, every time I go to install Windows on a machine, something just gets all fucked. And like this will not launch the start menu. You can click on the icons here, they come up, no problem. But eventually, in time, whatever process is going, and this is something I have seen before under XP, in time it will actually correct that and allow me to click on shit. I just wanted to show you, you know, I can't even hit the Windows key. That does nothing. The machine is just dead to the world as far as that goes. But everything else operates, see? Quit that. I can Control-Alt-Delete it. That comes up. I could do new task, run. I could type in command. And now we have a window open. What is it, E? There you go. That's called going and dropping a DOS and getting the job done properly. Picture book, digital picture frame backup, 7/6/2018. Well, shit, that's right when I did it. There it is. See, this thing keeps coming up for TeamViewer because it just can't handle XP. Probably some patch or some shit I have to put in. See, now it works. Now it's working. But what we're going to do is reimage from the external drive, because it was working properly. I should really look up, see what the hell that patch was, but I'm going to reimage from this thing because nothing in the system has changed. I think there may have been an update to TeamViewer. We'll see how the fuck that goes. Worst case, I could just reimage it back and just run with the old shit. Oh, fucking hell. It's always, you know, all these projects I do, I typically end up having some sort of problem somewhere and ending up reinstalling the OS off camera back to the same place I was, so it looks like it never happened. Yeah, there's the secret. Yeah. This thing is ice fucking cold now. Where's my little temperature thing? 81, 83 degrees. It's just room temperature. Because I am right next to the boiler. See, even the top of the freezer is 80-something degrees. But anyway, it's running ice cold now. Now we're going to boot Acronis. I seem to vaguely remember this having the weird mouse problem where it'll go and reboot as soon as you move the mouse once it loads into Acronis. So let's wait for that and see. And yep, just reboots. For some reason I've seen that, so we'll just unplug the mouse and use the keyboard. Another problem I'm definitely going to have is after restoring this from the backup that was on a 20 gig drive, and now it has a 40 gig drive. So I'm going to have to restore it to the system and then run Gparted to grow the partition out to the end of the drive, and then pray it fucking boots after that. I could just leave it, you know, not extending the partition, but there's no fun in that. There he is. Just what I need. We'll hit next. Restore disks. Next. Have to do this all with the keyboard. We'll hit next. Select a destination hard drive. 40 gig drive. Yeah, that's the one. Next, yes, I want to delete all of the shit and fucking put the backup in there, which is the whole point. No, I don't want to restore anything else. Next, don't validate. Go. Okay. So now, allegedly, this is doing something. Supposed to flash brighter when it's reading. It is actually surprising. And the drive indicator is doing shit, and it's only going to take 2 hours. That just changed from 3. Wonderful. An hour and 40 minutes remaining. It's still doing shit. Oh, USB 1 is really fast. The data was successfully restored. Yeah, right. Alright, well, let's take out the Tocadiscos over here. Whoop. We'll put in the Gparted Tocadiscos. And I'm going to power down. Cool. Because I want to plug my mouse back in. Because we're now going to boot off of that, and I believe it works with that. Alright, let's see what happens. Yes, Gparted Live is fine. It's loading. Undefined video mode number. Space to continue. We'll try that. I don't know. Just see if it'll get booted in, or if it'll give a kernel panic, and then we're fucked. NTFS FS warning HDA1. Oh, great. Will not be able to remount read-write. Run check disk. I don't know what any of that means. Apparently it's still loading. It's still beginning this pre-mount shit. Okay, that can't be good. Lights on solid. Nothing happened. Here is another version 0.4 point something on a CDRW. Yes, that looks good. Let's see what happens. So it reads a CDRW, this drive. That's good. Oh, we're getting the video mode bullshit. We'll just select 80 by 25 since we know that's safe. Well, it looks a little further than the last time. There, that's where it died. Scripts Live pre-mount. It's not the end of the world if I can't get this to run. I should theoretically be able to boot Windows and it'll just be a 20 gig partition instead of 40. Not ideal. I forget if Windows actually had a way to extend that. I think in Vista and above it did. But XP, I really don't remember. I don't think so. Let's see if the drive just gives the fuck up. I'm going to try getting the latest version of Gparted. I don't think it's going to work either. But I figure I'll give that a shot. It's been a while since I actually fucking downloaded a copy of it as it is. So, we'll see. Yeah, nothing has happened. Oh, something did. Something timed out. HDC. I don't know what this HDC is. There's no HDC. There is no... See, HDA is the main hard drive. HDB would be a secondary hard drive. HDC would be a third. I have this drive disconnected. It says adding a live session user. Setting up locales. We might have a fucking shot at it. I don't know why it took so long. Then again, I don't know that I ever ran this on a 766 Celeron before. Yeah, configuring X, that's a great sign. Configuring X video driver. Waiting for dev to be fully populated. That could be a lot of fucking fun. It's polling the entire fucking machine now. Okay, setting the system clock. This is a great sign that we're getting close. Holy shit, look! Don't touch key map. 33 is US English. Just run it. Graphics mode. Yeah. I don't know. It's still loading. But there's nothing on the screen. Yes! We have something. We might have a fucking shot at it. Oh, dick. Yeah. Okay, so far so good. We'll hit the auto button. It's reading things. See dev HDA. So that's the main hard drive. It's searching that. And found it. Yeah, see? There you go. NTFS 20 gig partition and 17 and change unallocated. So we're going to resize move. Free space preceding in megabytes is 0. Free space following is going to be 0. I guess we need number lock for that. Oh, great. Can I just... Yeah. Can I do that? Yeah. There. That's exactly what I wanted. New size 38147. Resize, move, and that's it. We'll just hit apply, apply, fingers crossed, details, check for errors, and if possible fix them. Run the simulation. It's reading from CD. Real resize. All operations successfully completed. Close that. It rereads the drive, or drives. And there we go. Now it's a 37.25 gig partition. Exit. Yes, it takes a double click for anybody who heard and questioned. And we're gonna reboot. It should shit the disk out. There we go. See, on an RW. Enter to continue. We'll now restart. So this is the first try for boot after re-imaging from the old image. Ah, nice. Now chances are good this is going to run check disk if it works at all. Yes, perfect. We will let it run check disk. It's doing this because it's not expecting the partition to be twice the size it used to be. So I'll let it run through that. Okay, it just finished check disk, and it's rebooting. With any luck, this should boot right into Windows now. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Brilliant. There's fucking like everything. Old version of TeamViewer, TeamViewer 13, but otherwise good. It's even... I think it's fucking up, but it's copying things and doing things. I think it's traipsing all over the disk for some reason. What is this thing doing? It's copying. It actually is backing up all the shit. Well, I'll just leave it do its thing. Even that's running. Perfect. Well, that fucking worked. Gorgeous.